I'm at Puerto Princesa Airport in the Philippines and I found this. I'm gonna try it. It's good. I like it. It's not as oily as some of the Jamaican brands. You can, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty good. Flavor wise, it's not as good as the Jamaican brands, but the meatiness of this, love the meatiness.